Let's draw a sun.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start with a circle. Right about there. And now we're going to draw zigzags all the way around the sun. Ready? We're gonna go up and down, 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 and up and down. Yay! Sun. This is a sun. What color will you make your sun? Will you add things all around it and use your imagination? How exciting! Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!